Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today I'm going to show you some new updates that we have on the website and some things we have going on to keep you updated with Flash Custom Transfers and FlashPrintingDepot. So first thing we're going to do is head on over to FlashCustomTransfers.com. As you can see, things look very different. We are not selling any transfers right now. We're just focusing on our FlashPrintingDepot equipment and things like that. If you just want to read our quick little paragraph to you guys, we are recommending Houston, DTFTransfers.com. Tell them we sent you. They're amazing over there. They have great quality work. They're really passionate about DTF, and their customer service is a 5-star. So Michael and Karina, please let them know that we sent you. We appreciate you guys so much for taking on our customers and taking care of them. So go ahead, this is their website here. I'll go ahead and click it so you guys can kind of see what's going on. The artwork is great. They build gang sheets, they have UV DTF, they have DTF, so definitely hit them up and let them know we sent you. Head on over back to Flash Custom Transfers. All right, so right now, like I said, we are focusing on DTF equipment. We do have our old compact shakers here, so we can go ahead and click that. It's gonna take you to our FlashPrintingDepot website. So if you're looking for a good, reliable compact shaker, 24-inch, we have these for $2,500. They would ship from Dallas, Texas. We're just making room for our new inventory. So this is our previous generation model of our current smart shaker. And then we also have these for sale as well. The 24-inch white top built-in filtration DTF shaker. A lot of you know these from the market as well. So we have those for $2,500. Those will also ship out from Dallas. This is our clearance DTF equipment. And then we have the 5-foot fume extractor for $1,300, was also ship out from Dallas. So right now we just have a few clearance things making way for new inventory. So we're gonna head back to Flash Custom Transfers, and we also have consumables on sale. So this premium DTF film right now is on sale. We have the 12-inch going for $30. We have our 24-inch going for $60, and the 32-inch right now 24 is, oh, okay, so we have 24 and 32 at $60. You can't beat it. Please message us at Order Now Flash, or you can actually just add it to cart right here and purchase it here. It would actually ship out from Conroe. So we do have these. And if you're interested, you can also get them on Afterpay. So this does not include shipping, so you would have to pay for shipping. So DTF film, we have it for the low right now. We also have other consumable items. We have fine powder for $25 for a 4.4 pound bag. We have, oh, these are the films again. What else we have? Ink. Ink is not on here. We must sold out on all of our ink, which is great. Also wanted to look at some digital download packs right here. These are still doing really, really well. So these are from the Super Bowl, Chiefs and the Eagles. It comes with all of our Chiefs and Eagles downloadable images, and these are all high resolution, so you can use them for DTF, UV DTF, sublimation, anything you like. There are PNGs, SVGs, things like that. Right now we have our digital download special, which comes with our entire digital download library. Everything that we have, over 10,000 images for $15. It's on sale right now for $15. So everything that we have, you can get that. We were selling it for $50. A lot of people were buying it, but hey, $15 and it's yours. What else we got down here? Also, we still do have Flash graphics. If you need vectors, background removals, resolution checks, embroidery effects, things like that, we still are offering those. You would email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Flash graphics is actually down right now. And these are some of the downloadable digital downloads. If you don't want to buy the $15 mega pack, you can buy individual. The Not Like Us, the Christmas, the Grinch, the Pan Dulce, things like that. And this is our smart shaker, making way for the smart shaker, y'all. I know y'all seen it. Let's head over to the smart shaker. Look how great she is. Compatible with the Epson G6070. We're just really excited, making room for all of that. If you'd like to become a dealer, this is the equipment we're offering right now. Fume extractor shakers. We offer equipment financing. We have an installation video. We have equipment manuals, and of course, clearance DTF equipment that we need to get rid of. So please let us know if you're interested. And I know things are in transition, but we are still here if you need us. You can email us at ordernow@FlashCustomTransfers.com. And we will see you guys next time. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.